Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is give you a price update for Cardano. So we are at 88 cents. Maybe we will see a 90-cent ADA by the end of this video. Who knows? So guys, if you get something out of this, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. What is your Cardano ADA price prediction for summer of 2025 or height of the market? So remember as well, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. You're listening to a Loose Moose. So Bitcoin has led the charge. We are approaching a $100,000 Bitcoin. So what that means is that the high cap alts are going to be next. So on the week, Bitcoin's up 12%. On the month, roughly 50, almost 200% on the year. All time, it's up more than the Moose could ever imagine. So that's looking good. Now remember, we could see a pullback at any point in time. Ultimately, Bitcoin should be going up forever, but you want to keep that in mind. Solana's been doing well, but we're here to talk about Cardano. So of course, this is founder Charles Hoskinson's project. And guys, I've been talking about it, right? You head over to the channel. I just gave you a $9 price prediction. So that's where I think it's headed. And I've been talking about Cardano for a while, right? So some projects are not going to work, hashtag M word. But we are going to focus on Cardano because Cardano right now with Charles could be one of those tokens that goes up much higher than the last cycle. Because we now have smart contracts. We have things like DEXs and DEX aggregators, NFTs. We have more marketplaces, more businesses and things can be built in leveraging the security and the throughput and speed of Cardano. So many milestones, these flags that you'll see here have been hit. I guess you could say, you know, after the height of the market. So at the peak, yeah, what was it? The Alonzo upgrade. Then we had Vassal, which was very big. So that was for NFTs and whatnot, I believe. Then you have stable coins. Here we have Mithril, Midnight announced. You have a bunch of different stuff. So what does that say? Cardano staking ETF is introduced. So guys, there's so much happening right now and it's going to be exciting. So keep out on the look for a $1 Cardano. I think it's going to happen sooner than later. So we should be like right now, I think we should be over 100 billion in market cap. So last cycle, I believe it got over 100 or 200 bill in market cap. We take a look at Ethereum. So even Ethereum is a baby right now. Ethereum should be closer to $1 trillion in market cap right now. So it's really cool, by the way, to see Solana pumping. I do have my bag on that, which I like. But guys, Cardano at 88 cents. Will we hit 90 cents? More importantly, will we get to $1? And then from there, where are we going to go? So it's definitely going to have to consolidate, trade sideways for a little bit after that. Because it's had this pump from 35 cents, right? I remember, yeah, what was it? 25 cents? Yeah, 25 cents. That was a low when the Moose got in last, but the Moose was buying up here like an absolute fool, right? So this is Margot Robbie waving to me and I'm throwing her cash thinking she's actually going to want to go out with me. Obviously not. So it wasn't going to happen. So, you know, we took what we could get. The Moose ended with the 5, but nothing wrong with that. So guys, with that being said, the Moose is loose. Guys, head over to the link tree. Check out the links. Save 10% off using code Moose. Okay, so using code Moose, save 10% off. And also, I will be updating these links because with Trezor specifically, we are going to be doing a Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale. So that's going to be really cool. So you guys can save I know you can save for sure with the Tangem. I don't know if you'll be able to save with the Trezor, but you will be able to support the channel. So I just want to keep that in check as well. So guys, check out the other projects, get loose, take an online course, get better. We'll see you in the next one, guys. It's happening.